Do you know what I miss? Dial tone. Rabbit rants. I don't know if it's just my mobile or what, but when someone hangs up, it's just silence, which is fine, except for if I'm talking to someone and they get unexpectedly cut off. I don't know until I check my phone. Would it kill them just to stick some kind of noise in to signify that, you're not connected to someone anymore? Whatever. This is pretty short, even for me. I think I'll just add to something I was talking about last week. Another word that gets continually misused? Literally. As in, oh my god, I was so embarrassed last night, I literally died. No. Unless someone had to call an ambulance and you had to get resuscitated, you did not die. Okay? Stop using the word literally figuratively. It's like some kind of grammatical equivalent of dividing by 0. It's just wrong. I hate feeling like I have to clarify that I'm using the word literally. Just stop it. Okay, that's long enough. I'll talk about something else next week, I promise.